Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul from primarily Tuesday morning with just 1 or 2 items from Ollie's and from Joann's. And all I got from Joann's was these little puffy stickers, the Sparkling Company. I think they're $1.99, just like some 4 enamel dots. And I just thought the cute colors. So I got those 2 packs. And then I was in Ollie's and they had some ribbon, not the prettiest ribbon, but they had some for cheap price, 79 cents. So I did pick up some of their ribbon just to see. Like they had this, so it's kind of sheer and you got your sequins inside of it. So that was Simplicity and it was 79 cents. And then this one doesn't look like there's a lot up here, but it's some sheer wide lace. And then lastly, I got, and they had tons. I mean, like buckets full of it. You know, I don't really need a lot, but I was trying to get some different stuff that I didn't have, and for that price, you know, just try some different ribbons. They were all 79 cents, so I was like, oh, okay. And then this one is more like a braid and it's gold. So that was what I got from there. And I did get some other stuff, some books for my grandson. They always have good price on books. Think of educational books, and I bought so many books for my grandson. Things like, can we do something else besides read? Nope. Anyway. So, Tuesday morning, I did pick up, they had the Smash stuff out again, but they also had these little, the label makers, and it was only $2.49, and it's 210-6448, so it came with a roll, and the label maker right here as well. So I probably should have got another roll, another one of these for the price, because then I have an extra roll of tape. But I know one time before they were selling some tape separately, but it wasn't for the Smash brand. It was a different company, but I wonder if it would fit in there. Picked another one of these up. This is another. I just put stuff aside all the time. It was on clearance and a good price. And my little giveaway box. And I give them away slowly, either in Happy Meal racks or swaps or different stuff like that. Or just giveaways on my channel. And so that was one. And it says Blissed. And it was on sale. 40% off, I think, of the $4.49. So I had that. And then I didn't want to buy any more paper, but I saw this in my mind's eye, yes, please. And I did get the film already. And, you know, I know y'all seen it. But, you know, it's double-sided and it's got the foiling on it. I mean, you know, hard not to get some gold foiling. Because you can always use that for so many different celebratory occasions. $2.99, 207-4164. They had this washi sticker pad, Faith Illustrated. So each page was a little bit different than the other one, well, totally different. It's $1.19, 209-4355. Because I didn't get it the last time when they had it out, but I went on and got it this time. So I had to pick this up for somebody who needed some 110-pound weight. This is the Silver Pearl, and this is 30 sheets. Good price. And it's 210-5845, and it has 30. But and this is the Coordination brand, and it's inkjet compatible. I must say though, check Ollie's, because not all the time, but every now and then Ollie's have paper, and you cannot beat their prices. I got a stack of 100 of these pearlescent papers by Nina. And I paid $1.99 for 100 Nina brand, and it was the pearl paper. But again, that's just like feast of fame. You just never know when it's going to happen. But they also used to have DCWV for $2.99 and Mombi and all that different stuff. So the person also wanted this, the heavyweight 110 black paper, 210-5838. But not everybody has all these, but I just want to mention that because you just never know. They haven't had any paper in a while, but... And they have it, they have it. They have the Cool Kids. My daughter asked me to pick that one up. And it was only $1.99, so it wasn't as bad. 210-5849. And I've had some ephemera pieces, just some of the wood ephemera that goes along with this, and I think some rubber stickers. So she's like, get that, I want that. So she's gonna make me do the project with it though. And I end up picking up the dandelion die set for $4.99. 209-7903. Excuse me, not dandelion. Poppies by Crafter's Companion. Again, you can use that just as a stamp alone, a stamp on the edge, one down the edge to cut it out on the edge of the card, or to use two, and you can totally cut it out separately. So you can use that 3 different ways. So that's just pretty cool. 209-7903. There's some Tim Holtz stuff. The only thing I got was this sticker pad, and it's called Salvage. 210-4695. You have 5 sheets. And so it's just kind of a little hodgepodge of mosaic type stuff that he has. And these are chipboard stickers. Very masculine, but very mixed media type feel. Thought these would be great for an ATC or iCAD or just anything like that. Kind of a feel like the numbers, and I have some papers by him that has some of that on it. So, got that. To get this Nola Blake stamp set, which you couldn't pass up, for $1.49. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pieces for $1.49. 211-4370. So you've got your musical script right here. It's got "To, From, in Love" with the colon beside it, so you can, you know, address that on a tag. Always great having a dress form that says "With Love." And actually, that's 2 different pieces right here. I thought that wreath and that love, like they're separate. So it might be 11 pieces. But either way, for $1.49, you cannot beat it. 211-4370. And I've only seen 2. I've got 2 different versions. I mean, 2 different stamp sets. But I think it's more that they have out. So look for that. And then these 2 paper pads. This is the Girl Squad, but this is the little phones. And I'm splitting this with a friend. 25 pack. And then on the back, it just got a whole bunch of hashtags on it, and it's $2.99. 210-5898. So that was cute. So I get some of this for picking up the cardstock for them. So I didn't mind. So, and then this one is Bright and Brave, and this is Illustrated Faith. You got the type on the front, and of course some of those says words like Jesus, John 3:16, stuff like that. And then you got your little sparkles on the back, your stars. 209-4346. So I didn't have to buy that. The last thing that I got, actually I picked up for my grandson, but it's the 3D Doula Start kit. I saw a lot of good reviews on it. It was $29.99. 210-8959. We opened up. He wanted to be on this video, but we had swimming lessons by the time we got back home, and we opened up start charging it. It's charging now, but it's not. He has to charge for an hour, so we didn't get the chance to let him make it. But I had put everything out, and it comes with I put the plastic out already, but it comes with several packs. And Michael sells these, the longer ones, for like $3. So I was glad to see that Michael still has some of those. So once we figured out, he might come up here and do a video. I don't know. He wants to anyway. He wanted to do his own YouTube video to tell y'all how this worked. But we'll see. Hopefully it'll be fun, something fun he can make out of it. Since he's always trying to draw and make stuff. So I thought maybe he might like the 3D stuff. So anyway, we look at maybe even as an adult, it's not really just for kids. I mean, adults can use this as well. But I just thought I'd mention that in case somebody wanted something to make. Anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And guess what? I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.